Hello folks, Robert here with more Revit training. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. It helps us create videos like this all the time. So today in this exercise, we're going to look at how to create electrical panel. So this is, somebody asked a question about this. I tried to do one on circuiting in a short, I think, so electrical is kind of getting a lot of leeway, a lot of traction anyway. But yeah, guys, I'm kind of with a heavy heart today. Best friend lost a son tragically, so bear with me. And he's one of my favorite listeners, I'm sure. So I'm here for you, brother. But anyway, let's move on now. So here we have our panel room here. And what happens is you'll get a drawing like this, and these are linked models, okay? And they're linked up from an architect's model, and this is just our electrical. So basically, we can even go into the mechanical area. So here, what we would do is we'll go into our view tab, and we know this, and we want to do a call out of this area here, because this is where our panels are. So do a call out here. And I'll go to here. So now we've got our little electrical room, and a lot of things going to happen in this room in the next few videos, I think. Oh, sorry. So now, we even might want to drop an elevation in here for conduit and things like that. So that's basically how that happens. And then here, we want to go and we might even want to do some, well, let's do them in this view. So I'm going to click this guy here, and we might even want to drop an elevation here. Nope, not a framing, sorry. Back here. Uh-oh. Get out of this. Okay. We'll just do a regular elevation here. In this view. Uh-oh, did I get it in there? Well, I guess I have to do it in the other view. I didn't know that, really. But anyway, let's try to see if we can do this. But this is, I want to show the panels. Okay, maybe not. So I'll go into the, back to my lighting plan and see if I can put it here. If I can't, no worries. For some reason I can't. It's probably something turned off. It is, and I don't really, we'll see it. But anyway, once you have your call out in your room, sorry guys, it's an old file. I came from like, I think it's one of them accent guides. So I think it's where I'm giving the Autodesk publisher. Pretty much Autodesk, one of those review for certification guides anyway. So for some reason that's not working for me, but anyway, now we want to look at the panel here. Let me see. Oh, I know what I'm doing here. Let me just do this right quick. Sorry. I need to activate this view, I think. Activate view. Nope. It's activated. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Not really that concerned about that element, but we'll be fine later on. So then basically all you do is go over here in the project browser to do a schedule, and they should already have something ready and complete here, because this is a project that's already built. So I'll go here where it says panels. Then I'll click LP1, and there's LP1. And they have all the classrooms and everything broken up. So that's basically how you create an electrical panel schedule. Pretty simple, but of course you have to do your circuiting beforehand like we've done in previous assignments. So we can do add conduit here and everything. But I tell you what, I'm going to leave it there for now. And what we'll do is we'll come back with this one and even do cable tray. Cause see, there's each of our rooms. I understand why I want. Oh, I know why. Let me see if I can do a section through here. That might be even better. Oh yeah, I can do that. So that's even better. So just drop a section here. Sorry about this blue, y'all. And I want to just flip it. Yeah, because we want to see this wall right here. It's a little higher up. And see, we've got all our other elements in here. We've got mechanical and HVAC. I mean, we've done videos like this before, but this is focused on electrical. In fact, see, there's the, let me see where it's that. Where are we here now? Oh, pull this back. And see. Okay. So these are electrical panels here. If I'm looking at that properly. Yes. So anyway, guys, I just want to introduce you all to this, how you create panel schedules. I mean, you have to be, we'll go here in our plan, and this is all circuited. And if you want, maybe, I'll tell you what, next video we'll show you how to do one from scratch for one of my other projects. But that's basically how you make these schedules. It's basically here in the project browser. So this is probably one for plumbing. That's a sort of give you like a template, but that's all the plumbing is in this building. And then here, LP1, this is our light dwelling schedule. So we'll go through these, but that was the question: how do you create electrical panel schedules? Again, I want to say, got a heavy heart loss somebody close, like a son. And please, you guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I hope we can make videos like this every day. Please support the channel. Thank you all. Bye. Be safe now. Bye.